So hello everyone, welcome to the fourth chapter of Unix and Shell Programming, and this is the fourth video of our Unix series. And today we will discuss about the fourth chapter and cover the topic file attribute in Unix. So let's start. The file and directory attribute listing displays the file attributes such as permissions, ownership, size, and timestamps. So basically, file attribute in Unix means the file and directory attributes listing. It displays it what it does actually. It displays the file attributes such as permissions, ownership, size, and timestamp. Everything those are the attributes of files will be displayed. Then like this. So then the ls minus l file name example output user group. This is the user group, uh, and this is the time March 7 11:30 file.txt. So here the minus r w minus r minus minus n, this is a file permission. Then this one is the number of links. This is the number of links. L is the number of links. Then user means the owner, and also the group means the group. Then 124 is the file size of bytes, file size in bytes. Then the March 7, and this is the last modification time. Then this is the date, and this is the time. So this is all about the last modification time. Then the file name is file.txt. This is all about the details of that file. Then the file ownership. Each file and directory in Unix has owner and group. Owner means the user who created the file. This is the owner of that file, and group means a set of user or group of user, whatever you say, who share access to the file. This is called the group. Then to change the ownership, if you want to change the ownership, you have to give the command chon. O means owner, ch means change owner, new underscore user, like the new user, it means the new username you want to keep the author, the like the right for to of ownership. So will be the new user, and this is the file name for which file you have to change the ownership. So this is the syntax chon, and the username, the file name, new username and the file name. And now let's see to change the group ownership. The first one, this was the change for single ownership, and if you want to change the group ownership, this syntax would be chgrp. Grp means group. Everything is same, but this is the this was ch own, and this is grp. Then the new group name, and then the file name. Here comes the file name. So this is how you can change the group ownership. So let's see the file permissions. The Unix file permissions define who can read, write, and execute a file or directory. So permissions means there are mainly three types of permission: read, write, and the execute. So three types of works. The permission defines who can read, write, and execute the file or directory. Then changing the file permissions. How can you change the file permission? You can relative permissions. This is relative permission means using chmod with plus or. Then add permissions. Add permission means chmod tx script sh gives executes permissions, gives execute permissions. Chmod with scripts which sh gives execute permissions. It gives permissions Then absolute permissions using numeric mode of each permissions is assigned a number. Each permission is assigned a number. There's a read means 4, each number assigned a number. Read means 4, write means 2, and execute is 1. Example chmod C755 script your sh. So here 7 means the owner, 5 means group, and 5 means the other. Then 7 equal is 4 plus 2 plus 1. It's read, write, and execute. 5 is 4 plus 0 plus 1. Then there is no write, it's only read and execute. And others means 4 plus 1 is same as 5. So here is also the same as well, like the group. Here is only the read permissions and not write. So only the read and execute permission here is. Then we have the file system and inodes. And inodes, we have discussed about the inodes in the previous chapter. Inodes stores the metadata of the file. So the file system organizes, manages the files or on storage. Inodes store metadata, that just as I said about files, size, like what kind of metadata, like size, permissions, and timestamps, etc. To change inode number, if you want to change the inode number, this is a syntax: ls minus I file name of the which file you want to change the inode number of. Okay, so let's see the hard link and soft link. What is hard link and what is soft link, and what are the difference between them? The question might come in the exams. So hard links, direct references to files inode. If the original file is deleted, the links remain intact in file 1 and file 2. Then soft link. What is hard link? Actually, a direct reference. Hard link is all about a direct reference to files inode. If the original file is deleted, if the original file is deleted, the links becomes original file is deleted. The links becomes deleted. Original file is deleted. The links become the is deleted, remains intact in file 1 and file 2. So what is soft link? A pointer to another files. If the original file is deleted, the link become broken. So soft link is not that intact thing like hard link. It a pointer to another the original file. If the original file is deleted, the link will also be broken. And this is the ls minus s means soft link. Here there was nothing, and here is the extra hyphen s, file 1 and link file. So this is hard link and soft link and their syntax. Now see the significance of file attributes for directories. What are the significance of file attributes? So a directory with execute permission, x permission allows entering the directory cd. Write permission allows creating or deleting file inside the directory. And read permission or R permissions allows listing the files or ls. So you got it right. It's easy peasy. Then let's go to the default permissions and unmask. So Unix assigns default permissions to new files and directories. Unix assigns default permissions to new files and directories. Files rw r666 minus inos, directories rwx, there is 77 minus umask. To check the current umask, this is the command umask. Then to change the umask, if you want to change the umask, this is the syntax umask 022. This will change the umask. Then we just see the listing, modifications, and access time. How can we list modification time and the access time as well? To display the last access time And modification, access time is a time and modification same time, and the change time timestamps, change timestamps if you want to display them. So this is the command ls minus lt, then sort by modification time, and ls minus ln sort by access time. Then let's see the changing timestamps. How can you change the timestamps? Update modifications and access time of a file. Touch file name. This is the syntax. So you have to remember this. Touch type file name. So that's why you can update the modifications and access times of the file. Create, if you want to create a new, it basically the touch file name. This command creates a new empty file. If it does not exist, creates a new empty file. Creates a new empty file. It creates a new empty file. A new empty file is being created if it does not exist. Then locating file or find searches for file based on names, types, size, etc. Searches for file, search for files on name, type, size, etc. Then this is the how can you do it. Basically this is the syntax and command file slash path name and file name. This command searches for file based on name, types, size, etc. and file all .txt file. If you want to find all the files with the .txt extension, you have to write this command: find slash home hyphen type f hyphen name, and inside the double quotes you have to specify the star followed by star. The .txt means the extension followed by star, and this will be enclosed within the double quotes. So this is the command that will help you to find all the files with the specific extension you want to look for. So yeah, hello everyone, and this is all about the fourth chapter. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. In the fifth chapter we will cover in the next video. So until then, subscribe to our channel, and if you like this video, hit the thumbs up and share it as much as possible to your classroom, to your college groups, and to your friends, so that everyone can learn happily and have a better educated life. So yeah, see you in the next video.